History shows us something fascinating. A technology doesn't necessarily change the world when it is invented. It changes the world when it becomes affordable enough for widespread adoption. Take the automobile. For its first 20 years, the car was a toy for the rich. It didn't change how the world operated. But when Henry Ford brought the cost of production down, it completely restructured human civilization. We also saw it with computers. They were around for decades, but until the personal computer was created, they didn't have a significant effect on how we lived our lives. And today we are seeing it in space. Space used to be a domain exclusively for superpowers and the exquisitely funded. But by transitioning to reusable rockets, the cost plummeted, and suddenly a massive commercial space economy is emerging that we previously thought was impossible. Today we're standing at the edge of the next great technological inflection point, heavy vertical flight that is economical for widespread adoption. Right now, if a company needs to move cargo, they run a cost-benefit analysis, they look at trucks, trains, and ships. Helicopters and drones almost never make the cut. Why? Because the cost per pound per mile transported is just too high. Vertical lift is reserved only for the most critical missions or the most well-funded industries. At DARPA, we want to shatter that cost barrier. That is why we launched the DARPA Lift Challenge. Our goal is audacious. We are challenging innovators to build a heavy lift drone that can lift 4 times its own weight. Let me put that into perspective. Today, a highly specialized helicopter has about a 1-to-1 payload to weight ratio. A 1,000-pound aircraft carries 1,000 pounds of payload. And commercial drones are often much worse. As you scale up the size of the drone to carry more weight, the cost just explodes. We want a 4-to-1 ratio. If we achieve that, we flip the math. Instead of a massive expensive vehicle, you can carry the same heavy payload with an aircraft that is a fraction of the size and a fraction of the cost. If we can drastically decrease that cost per pound per mile metric, we open the floodgates. We can envision moving heavy construction materials to remote mountainsides or rapidly deploying medical infrastructure. But the most exciting part, it's the unknown. Just like no one in 1908 could have predicted the drive-through window or the modern suburban neighborhood. We don't know exactly what new industries will emerge from this, but history guarantees that when you unlock this level of economic efficiency, transformative innovation inevitably follows. And of course, at DARPA, our core mission is national security. Today's battlefields are dominated by small drones, but because they don't scale well, they're limited to tiny payloads. Breaking this weight barrier will revolutionize military missions, allowing us to supply our warfighters anywhere on Earth at a fraction of the cost. In 2004, the DARPA Grand Challenge sparked the self-driving car revolution. The communities that formed in the desert that day went on to build an entirely new global industry. This is exactly what we are doing with the DARPA Lift Challenge. We are building the community, proving the hardware, and giving America the jumpstart it needs to dominate the multi-billion-dollar aerial economy of the future. This isn't just about building a better drone. It's about redefining how human civilization operates.